Hello everyone, you are watching RDX Goa's News Bulletin with me Deepali Naik. And to begin with, let's take a look at the headlines. All parties gearing up for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Congress and NCP yet to finalize the names of their candidates. Backlog of giving government jobs under Harness scheme will be cleared by the end of 2014, Chief Minister. Make use of mother tongue in our social life, Vishnu Wagh. Yuva Srujan Awards 2013 given at Kala Academy. And beautification of all the temples and churches of the Kalangut constituency will be done, Michael Lobo. Now the news in detail. As the Lok Sabha elections are approaching closer, the national parties in Goa are gearing up for the battle of seats. BJP has already declared MP for 3 consecutive terms Shripad Naik for North and Advocate Narendra Sawaikar for South Goa's ticket, whereas Congress has forwarded the names of its candidates to the centre for approval. NCP was given the chance to contest election from North Goa during last term as a result of NCP and Congress alliance. But President of GPCC John Fernandez says that Congress wants to contest this election on its own from both the districts. However, NCP's President Nilkant Halankar is firm on his point that NCP should get the North Goa's ticket as there is Congress and NCP alliance in the centre. Whereas spokesperson of NCP Trajan Dimalo says that NCP is capable of contesting the election on its own. A special report by Sanjay Manoli for RDX Goa.
Party will finalize its name only when the elections are notified by the election committee. 18th of this month is the budget in the parliament, that is vote on account. So by 21st is the last day of the sitting of the parliament, both the houses. By 22nd the election commission may make the pronouncement of elections, and subsequently the notification will come. When the process of election starts, then Congress will hurry up and announce the names. And we have it. We know who is our candidate, likely candidate, because we give chance for everybody to compete. But we know who is our candidate for North Goa and South Goa. So naturally we whisper in the ears of that candidate, and campaign has started. Possibilities, but we don't need it. We don't need those people to work for Congress. BJP itself will work against BJP. We can assure you that. We know the infights in them. We know the caste war going inside the BJP, and we know what is their strength and what is their weakness. We are aware of it.
आता ते 2014 लोकसभेचे जी तिकीट ही जास्त करून म्हणजे ऑलरेडी नॉर्थ गोवाची राष्ट्रवादी हा कालूच महाराष्ट्रा सेटल जाला. म्हणजे आदलें जे धोरण आहा 26 काँग्रेस आणि 22 राष्ट्रवादी हीच फॉर्म्युला तेंच्यांनी वापरल्या. आणि तेच पद्दतीन आमकां जशें 2 म्हयने पयलीं पवार साहेबान सांगलां की तुमी काम कराच, तिकीट ही आमकांच आसतली, नक्की आसतली, आनी आमचो कॅन्डिडेट आमी निवडून हाडपाक जाय. त्या प्रमाणे आमचे राष्ट्रवादी पक्षाचें काम चालूच आहा, जोरान चालू आहा, आनी दुबाव नासतना हे फावट आमचो राष्ट्रवादीचोच उमेदवार निवडून येतलो, कित्याक गेले फावट खाली 6,000 मतांनी पडलेलो आहा. आनी हे फावट आमचे ज्या प्रमाणे पक्षाचें काम चलता, ज्या तरेन आमकां लोकांचे फिडबॅक येता आनी लोक जेन्ना राष्ट्रवादीक एप्रिशिएट करता तेन्ना हो सीट आमी जो उमेदवार निवडून येतलो ही खात्रीन हांव सांगूंक शकता. नांव सजेशन आमचे कडेन नांवां ऑलरेडी आहा. आमच्या पक्षाचोच उमेदवार आसतलो हें आमी ऑलरेडी थारायलां. पूण तरी सुद्दां शेवट हो राष्ट्रीय नॅशनल पक्ष आसल्या कारणान सगळो शेवट आमी नांवां दिल्या उपरांत हायकमांडान निवडणी तेंचे ऑर्डर जे आसता तेंचे कितें ठरता ते आमी एक्सेप्ट करता.
Sabha, if we are going in alliance, North Goa will be with us, South Goa will not be with us. In North Goa, as of today, the entire executive stands behind the party president to contest. If it is not alliance, party president will contest in North, senior vice president will contest in South. This is the position as of today. politics is dynamic, it is not static.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar informed that the backlog of giving government jobs under Harness scheme will be cleared by end of 2014. Till now, government have cleared 321 cases and have given jobs to the children of those who passes away while they were into government service. He was speaking at a function organized at Secretariat where appointment letters were given to the candidates under Harness scheme. Yashwant Parab reports from Parvaring for RDX Goa.
22 months 321 केसी आम्ही क्लियर केल्यो आणि रिलिजियसली आणि विदाउट फेलिंग एक सर्टन पर्सेंटेज सीट्स आम्ही काढून सायडीक दवरतात सरकाराच्या अन्य खात्यांक परमिशन दिता आसतना आणि जे एक दवरलेले असता ते आम्ही इमिजिएटली भरता. म्हणजे एक भितर हें आसा की येणारे वर्स ताणें 1.5 वर्स म्हणलें आय एम ट्रायंग टू से एका वर्साक तो बॅकलॉग वचूंक जाय. म्हणजे हळूहळू करून आतां जशें दिवपाक सुरू केलें म्हजे कडेन येणारें प्रकरण कमी जालें. दॅट इज द बेस्ट वे. इफ नो वन कम्स टू मी फॉर आस्किंग फॉर कॉम्पन्सेट अपॉइंटमेंट, इट इज अ गुड सायन दॅट द गव्हर्मेंट इज वर्किंग. सुरवातीक म्हाका इतली हेडेक जाताली, प्रत्येक जाण येवन बसतालो म्हजें कितें जालें म्हजें कितें जालें. 8 वर्सां 7 वर्सां 6 वर्सां पेंडींग. आतां म्हाका दिसता जवळ 69 फक्त केसी 2013च्या पयलींच्यो पेंडींग आहा. 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13 फक्त 69 मोस्टली ऑफ 12-13. 69 म्हाका दिसता 50 12-13 आसतल्यो त्यो रुटीनली आहा. 18-20 केसी आसतल्यो ज्यो मातशे एक्झामिनेशन किंवा आनी कितें खातीर दवरल्ले आसत. पण बाय डिसेंबर दीस इयर 2014 देर वॉन्ट बी एनीथींग अप टू 31 मार्च 2014 लेफ्ट. म्हणजे एका वर्सा भितर तो सगळो कितें तो बॅकलॉग हाडपाची गॅरंटी हांव दिता. तितले आमी हाडटले बॅकलॉग सोडून काही डिफिकल्ट इश्यूज थोडी तरेची हे आसता. एक आमकां म्हजे कडेन केस आयली जी आतां 19 तारखेक आमी फायनलायज केली. आतां आसोच येता तातूंत भितर घोव गोंयकार बायल कारवारची तिका 15 वर्सां येना म्हणून देवती नाय. तातूंत 19 फेब्रुवारी ताका 15 वर्सां जाली दिसता कोइन्सिडेंटली. बट वी टूक अ डिसिजन दॅट 2 वर्सां जाली जाल्यार आमी दिवंक शकता. कारण गोंयकारा बरोबर जर लग्न जालां जाल्यार तेय गोंयकार जाले जाल्यार थंयच्यान 15 वर्सांचे कडी पर्यंत म्हातारे येतले. म्हणजे 25 वर्सांचें लग्न जालें जाल्यार 15 वर्सां केले जाल्यार 2 वर्सांच फक्त चान्स मेळटलो. कारण एज म्हणजे एम्प्लॉयमेंटाचो हांव उलयता फक्त कॉम्पेन्सेटूच उलयना. आनी समजा वय मातशें फुडें आसत 15 वर्सां पर्यंत रावत जाल्यार शी वील टच 50+ मागीर केन्ना नोकरी करतले. म्हणून आमी ते क्लॉज रिलॅक्सेशन केला. घोवाक तशें बायलेकूय केला. म्हणजे बायल गोंयकार आसत आनी गोंयांत जर सेटल जाले आसत गोव्याला जाल्यार आनी बायल गव्हर्मेंट नोकरी आसत आनी ती समजा एक्सपायर जाली जाल्यार घोवाकूय तीच ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी अवेलेबल आसा. इट इज जेंडर न्यूट्रल. त्यामुळे घोव बायलांक दोगांकूय हें आसा. हांव इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता की हाचे दिसा 176 केसी उरल्या. 2013च्यो सादारण 100 आसा फुडच्या वर्साच्यो.
Total cases we have received so far is 949 cases, and so far we have settled 773 cases till today. From 1/4/2012 till date, we have cleared 321 cases.
Sant Andri MLA and Chairman of Kala Academy Vishnu Wagh said that use of mother tongue in a social life is very essential. He was speaking during the distribution of Yuva Srujan Puraskar organized by the Directorate of Arts and Culture. Art and Culture Minister Dayanand Mandrikar, Director Prasad Loliekar and others were present. Ramnath Gowde, Mukesh Khatwal, Aarti Naik, Olav Rodriguez, Carmina Barbozo, Ghansham Tari, Rajan Fulari and Gopinath Gavas were awarded with the Yuva Srujan Puraskar of 2014.
40 वर्सां सगळ्या कलाकारांचो असो सन्मान करप की जे कलाकार तांच्या नंतरच्या हयातींत आनीक नेटान काम करतले. ज्या क्षेत्रांत ते वावुरतात त्या क्षेत्रांत बरे भशेन अदीक योगदान ते करतले आणि आपल्या कल्पकतायेन आणि आपल्या सर्जनशीलतेन ते आपल्या बरोबरच जे कलेच्या मळार वावर करतात त्या कलेचेंय नांव व्हडलें करतले आनी कलेकूय व्हडली करतले. हो हे पुरस्कार दिवपा फाटलो एक हेतू. आनी देखून ज्या मळार तुमी आज मेरेन काम करता आयलात त्या मळार हाज्याय फुडें तुमी बरें काम करचें. त्या मळार आपल्या प्रतिभेच्या तेजान तुमी लखलखून उठचें आनी तुमचें नांव आज आसा ताच्या परस व्हडलें जावचें ही एक उमळशीक ह्या सगळ्याच्या फाटल्यान आसा. पूण हे सगळें खरें मानता आसतनाय एक लेखक म्हणून, एक कवी म्हणून, एक सर्जनशील कार्यकर्तो म्हणून सदांच एक खंत म्हाका भोगता की प्रत्येक कलेच्या, प्रत्येक संस्कृतीच्या फाटल्यान एक त्या कलेची, संस्कृतीची एक भास आसची पडटा. आनी ती भास जर तातूंतल्यान वजा करत, त्या भाशेक जर कुशीक काडत, जाल्यार तुमच्या आंगातली जी कला आसा ती कला संदर्भहीन जावपाचो व्हडलो धोको आसता. म्हणून ह्या सृजनाच्या क्षेत्रांत जे जे कोण आसात तांकां म्हजें एकूच तुमचे कडेन मागणें की ह्या भाशेचो वापर सार्वजनीक जिणेंत करात. सार्वजनीक जिणेंत तो जावचो असो आग्रह धरात. शिक्षणा पासून प्रत्येक कडेन कामकाज, शासकीय कामकाजा मेरेन ही भास वापरली वचची हेजे खातीर प्रयत्न करात. आनी अशे प्रयत्न जर आमी केले जाल्यार फुडले कलाकार निर्माण जातले. ना जर जालें जाल्यार आमी फक्त तांकां इंग्लिशीचेच मॅडिमिक्स दूद जर पियेत रावले जाल्यार तुमी लक्षांत दवरा, कांय वर्सांनी हे पुरस्कार घेवपी भुरगे आसचे नात. हे मातयेन पांय रोवपी लोक जो मेरेन आमचे आसतले तो मेरेन अशे कलाकार जातले, गायक जातले, लेखक जातले. जे दिसा फुडली पिळगी मातयेंतल्यान हुमटून खंय तरी वयर मळबांत उबंतरा पडटली त्या दिसाच्यान सर्जनशीलतेची प्रक्रिया थांबतली. हो एक व्हडलो धोको आसा. ह्या धोक्याची हांव फक्त जाणीव करता.
Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Comfortable stay, presidential and executive suites, essentials, safety of your belongings, modern baths, showers and jacuzzi, (25x) conference room, one-up lounge bar with disco lights and DJ music. Restaurant managed by Mumbai's famous Uncle's Kitchen, tasty and tantalizing dishes. Cable TV screens, all in friendly and air-conditioned environment at Amunkar's Boutique Hotel, DB Bandodkar Road, Miramar, Panji, Goa.
Hey, why are you so gloomy?
Array, getting mad to locate what to give to my parents. I had to give my insurance premium this month, so the budget is also limited.
No problem, dear. You're probably not following the newspapers.
Why? What happened? What's special in the newspaper?
It's emotions, emotions and only emotion. An exclusive new brand store with all imported gift items, glassware, novelties, home decor, etc.
First time in Goa, you get 10% discount on any purchase. Get an assured suit length or kitchenware on any purchase over ₹2,000 only. You get a complimentary dining voucher for 2 packs worth ₹1,000.
Don't you feel it's one-stop location for all your needs?
Can you take me there now only?
Let's go.
Correctly said, it's the first time in Goa.
Just unbelievable and awesome.
सोबीत दिसचे अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स. धुंद चांदण्या रात्री, रोमांच रोम अन गात्री, लाघवी तुझे स्मित, छेडती नवे गीत, चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. या माझ्या स्वप्न महाली क्षण रंगले मन दंगले, जादू तुझ्या स्पर्शाची मी प्रेम रंगी रंगले, उमलली नवी एक प्रीत, चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. आतिथ्य आणि स्मित म्हणजेच हॉटेल चंद्रगीत. आरामदायी प्रशस्त एअर कंडिशन खोल्या, केबल टीव्ही, शॉवरची सोय, मध्यवर्ती ठिकाण पणजी म्हापसा महामार्गावर परवरी गोवा येथे.
अंकल आप ठीक तो है ना?
बेटा थैंक यू. ये क्या है?
कुछ नहीं अंकल, अभी ब्लड डोनेट करके आई हूँ.
बेटा तुम्हें तो बहुत कमजोरी महसूस होती होगी.
कोई कमजोरी नहीं अंकल, हर 3 महीने में करती हूँ.
अच्छा.
नेकी के लिए पहलवान नहीं इंसान होना जरूरी है. रक्तदान कीजिए, कमजोरी नहीं होती, शरीर उस खून को जल्दी बना लेता है.
सोचिए मत, करके देखिए, अच्छा लगता है.
Welcome back. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo said that he will do beautification of all the temples and churches of the Kalangut constituency. Foundation stone of 20-meter pole at Arpura was laid at the hands of Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar.
देवस्थान जे आसा हे देवस्थान गेले 400-450 वर्सां पूर्वीचें आसा आनी आयज तेजो अमृत महोत्सवी वर्साचो समारोप कार्यक्रमाक हो जो परिसर आसा हो परिसर उजवड पडचो म्हणून टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटा कडल्यान 5.5 लाख रुपया मोडून हायमास घालचो, जेणे करून जे भावीक हांगा पांया पडपाक येता. खुबशे टुरिस्ट हांवें पळयल्या, तुमकांय खबर आसतली की मोठ्या प्रमाणान टुरिस्ट हांगा विजीट दिता. तांकां काळोख हांगा आसता लेट म्हणून मागीर प्रॉब्लम जाता. त्या खातीर तो लायटीचो मोठो 20 मिटरचो खांबो घालून हांगा उजवड जावचो म्हणून आमी येवजण केल्ली आसा. तेजें फावंडेशन जालां. सादारणशें आनीक एक 20-22 दिसां भितर खांबो उबो जावन लायटीचें सगळ्यांक उजवड पडटलो.
यस, आमच्या ह्या देवस्थानाक चौरंगीनाथ देवस्थानाक जाल्ले आहा तेजे खुबशे ब्युटिफिकेशन्स काम जे पेंडींग आसले इतली वर्सां जाली. आमचे हिंगासरले जे अध्यक्ष आहा आनी तेजी कमिटी बाकीचे गांवचे सगळे लोक खूब वावुरले आनी मिनिस्टरा कडेन गेले हिंगा हायमास लॅम्प जावचो म्हणून, कित्याक खुबशे ट्युरिस्ट हिंगा सांजचे येता, रातचे येता, हिंगा येवन बसता सोंप्यांचेर. सो ऑल दीस वर्क्स वीच आर देर इन आरपोरा नागवा, ब्युटिफिकेशन स्पेशली टेम्पल्स हिंगासर आहा, आमचे श्री गणेश टेम्पल आहा, थिंगा चर्च आहा, हे सगळे ब्युटिफिकेशन आमी घेतलेले आहा. आनी GSIDC आनी ट्युरिजम डिपार्टमेंट आनी PWD टुगेदर मेळोन म्हणून गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवान आमकां आदार दिल्लो आनी ही सगळीं कामां जी पेंडींग आहा इतली वर्सांची ती आमी बेगिनात बेगीन पुरो करतले.
A panel of residents of Mapsa has demanded conversion of old road to Mapsa into one-way track. A memorandum regarding this was submitted to the municipality on 14th March 2012, but no action was taken on it, informed the residents. They further said that people have to face a lot of hardships at the time of emergency due to traffic congestions.
तारखेक आमी तांकां 14 मार्च 2012 साली आमी ॲप्लिकेशन दिल्लें. त्याच्यानंतर कंटिन्यू 10-12 दीस आमी त्यांच्या कडेन वयतात. त्यांच्याकडे वचून त्यांची बैठक घेत असता की तो म्हाका सलीमान सांगले की काली म्हाका फेब्रुवारीच्या मध्ये आठवण कर, मागीर आमी हो रोड वन वे करूया. म्हापसा क्लिनिक रोड, हो म्हापसा क्लिनिक रोड, ओल्ड म्हापसा क्लिनिक रोड आला तो वन वे करपाचो. आणि तिथे बेशिस्त पार्किंग असता. सगळी पार्किंग बेशिस्त असल्या कारणान प्रॉब्लेम जाता, सदांच प्रॉब्लेम जाता. त्या खातीर आमी आज मेळपाक गेले. बाबूश पण विद्यालय बाबूश ते पावलो. आणि
आमच्या एरियान कशें पेशंटू आहा, पेशंटांक जर 108 आपयलें जाल्यार 108 येयना.
108 येनात.
ते म्हणटा आमी येयना तुमच्या हितून पार्किंगाची जी प्रॉब्लम आहा आमकां गाडयो हाडूंक लावा.
आनी पयर
आमी ते स्पेशली मेळपाकूच येयलेले.
पयर एक वचन जाला थंय एक्सिडंट जाल्लो. थंय बायलेचो पांय मोडलेलो. पयर तिका व्हरपाक जायना. आमी रिक्षेन घातल्यान तिका घेवन गेले. ती थंय हे आतां ट्राफिकचे गाडी वाडलेले आतां वचोंक सुद्दां मेळना गाडये घेवन. इतकेच आमचें म्हणणें आमकां ते पार्किंग आमचे ते हें करपाचें रोड आमकां क्लीन करून आमकां दिवपाक जाय. परत प्रॉब्लेम जाता ते एक जितलो प्रॉब्लेम जाता रिस्पॉन्स कसो मेळ्ळो तुमकां? आतां रिस्पॉन्स आतां वन वे करपाचो तेंच्यांनी ठरयला 22 तारखेक तो वन वे करता म्हणून सांगला त्यांनी शेनवारा. त्या दिसा सकाळ पासून तो बोर्ड लायतलो थंय मार्किंग नो एंट्री बोर्ड आणि मागीर रोडसाठी मार्किंग करतले पार्किंगसाठी म्युनिसिपालिटी मार्किंग करून दितले अशें तेंच्यांनी.
Governor Bharatveer Vanchu on Tuesday emphasized the need to pay serious and urgent attention to needs and conditions prevailing in the state's primary school, particularly in villages, to improve standard of education. He was speaking at the All Goa Catholic Educational Institutions Day celebrations organized by the Archdiocesan Board of Education at Ravindra Bhavan, Margao. Mandar Naik reports from Margao for RDX Goa.
To all of them, we owe a deep debt of gratitude, and we salute them and thank them for their memorable services on this important occasion. It has over the years been very well recognized and realized that education alone can transform our society into a civilized and progressive world. As was said earlier, Nelson Mandela had most appropriately said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. As you will recall, the post-independence era has witnessed a major transformation of the Indian society, primarily due to the spread of education by both the government and the private sector. Something all of us in Goa should be justifiably proud of. Friends, we are today deeply concerned about the important task of improving our system of education and making it comparable with global standards. It is expected, as you all know, that our country will have the largest youth population in the world. This will in future be our greatest national asset and wealth. We owe it to the youth of Goa. Our efforts over the years have resulted in an increase in the number of schools and colleges. Goa now proudly has a university of its own, over 50 affiliated colleges and institutions, besides a vast network of schools. The need of the hour is to improve the infrastructure, upgrade it, and concentrate on ensuring the highest quality education.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
कसलोय समारंभ असो वा कसलोय सुवाळो असो सगळ्यांची एकूच पसंत संजय फॅशन सेंटर. रेडीमेड सूट, शेरवानी, कुर्तास आणि लग्न सोहळ्याचे कपडे तुमच्या गरजेप्रमाण आम्ही ऑर्डर घेतात. संजय फॅशन सेंटर, सिंडिकेट बँके लागी, बेती.
सलोनी लेडीज वेयर. A new extension store of Sanjay Fashion Center, specialist in kurtis, jeans, dress material and innerwear. Next to Police Outpost, Betim, Bardes, Goa. Contact 777-3927-152.
Mallikarjun Caterers. We accept soft drinks, ice creams, veg and non-veg buffet orders for weddings, birthdays and other occasions. We also undertake pandal and stage decorations with lightings. Contact Anand Bandekar, Pansolem, Concon, Goa. Phone number 3130-178, 9823524014 or 9405166141. Mallikarjun Caterer.
सांभाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांभाळतलो. राखपा गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो. हांव सांभाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांभाळतलो.
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजीक आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात.
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण विजवतलो.
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा, पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळटलो.
राखपा गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता मोजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय. कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो. कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
दिल या साथी चाहे कुछ भी कहे, जो कॉन्डम का साथ न छोड़े वही है मुकद्दर का सिकंदर.
Welcome back. New building of Pernem Government College will be constructed with a budget of 24 crores and it will be equipped with national level infrastructure, informed Speaker Rajendra Arlikar. He was speaking during prize distribution ceremony of Pernem Government College. Vinod Mehta reports from Pernem for RDX Goa.
Our Penne Taluka, not only constituency, Penne Taluka itself is very much ahead compared to other parts of our state. We have a very good talent in our taluka, very good talent in sports, but that has to be developed. I am very happy to tell you that we have a sports complex ground here, but it has not been developed for last many years. It is lying there. But I am pleased to tell you that very recently we have been successful to provide a prefabricated changing room and toilets for both girls and boys, which already has been installed there. And very near future we are going to develop this into a very good complex. Our national games are coming within next 2 years. So all these national games also will, many of the streams will be held on our ground here. So that has to be developed. I hope you all will make good use of that. This ground is not only for just a beautiful looking place where somebody will come in the afternoon or evening just to toil and moil there. This is in fact to be used by all our talented students, youngsters. That is the reason why these facilities are being provided. So also how this extra curricular activities are being provided, we also want to have curricular activities. As I entered the premise,
children should make proper use of e-tablets, April Sangyam MLA Subhash Faldesai. He was speaking during distribution of e-tablets to the students of Popular Education Society. Mandar Naik reports from Naveli.
As I mean, magic tool ditla, that's a e-tablet. Any advanced technology gives a good education to us, good information to us, because the world has become a global village today. आमकां जाय जर जाय शिक्षणाच्या बरोबर नॉलेजीच्या बरोबर ती नॉलेज एक्वायर करपाक आमचो ब्रेन फंक्शन जावपाक आमचे सगळे ऑर्गन्स फंक्शन जावपाक a good amount of exercise, a good sports also. I'll warn you that we have a special device which can detect how much time you have spent on your syllabus, how much time that you have played the games and how much times you did other things which was not unwanted things, and we can get analysis or the report of that. It's because of that. Please try to make a best use of that. I don't mind using an internet on that. I don't mind using downloading education content. But at the same time, you need to see that we spend most of our time on syllabus.
इनाजरी तुमकां कीबोर्ड मेळटात but besides this we have a keyboard, separate keyboard.
There are some complaints from the parents that the students are spending more time on the tablets than their studies or any other activities. Use these tablets for a good cause. As I was coming out, I saw on the notice board, knowledge is power. It is. And as Nelson Mandela also always said, there is no other stronger weapon than education. He wants, CM wants that every child should be educated and should get the best of education. Now he has distributed tablets here. He is giving Balrat buses. As I was just talking to him, he said you all have only one bus. But to your capacity, I think you all will get another bus. So I will surely help you in getting another bus.
Before we wind up, here is the recap of the headlines. All parties gearing up for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Congress and NCP yet to finalize the names of their candidates. Backlog of giving government jobs under Harness scheme will be cleared by the end of 2014, Chief Minister. Make use of mother tongue in our social life, Vishnu Wagh. Yuva Srujan Awards 2013 given at Kala Academy. And beautification of all the temples and churches of the Kalangut constituency will be done, Michael Lobo. Today's news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.